Did you know that you can now have a Facebook newsfeed dedicated for groups, so you can see just the activity in the groups you're associated with? I'll show you how in this video. Here we go. So if you go to your home screen, signed in as my personal profile on Facebook, I click see more and go to alphabetically groups. You can see your feed there, so it shows recent activity, and as you scroll through it, basically it's purely the updates from your groups, not from your friends, not from the pages you follow, but one dedicated just for group updates. To manage the settings in your groups, you can click here on the settings wheel. You've got the option to show notification dots or not. You can then customize the notifications you receive. So you can go through each group and say whether you want highlights, on, off, etc. You can have all posts if you want to see in-depth details in your newsfeed. So you've really got a great way to customize your experience. Also, just note here you've got pins where you can pin certain groups to the top, and you can have up to 10 groups that you pin. So lots more options really around groups. They're becoming more and more significant in Facebook in 2021. I've been Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.